How to turn off sleep mode on iPhone. If you're struggling with the same problem, don't worry, this video is right for you. Firstly, all you have to do is go and tap on your Health app. Now tap on the option called Browse, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, it will now take you to the new page where you have to scroll down and tap on the option called Sleep. Now scroll down again on your phone and tap on the option called Full Schedule and Option, as it is your set bedtime and wake up time. Here, all you have to do is tap on the sleep schedule option to turn it off. Once you turn it off, the wake up alarm will not go off and other sleep features will not turn on. In this way, you can easily turn off the sleep schedule option. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.